Hello everyone, my name is Chalak Rathor and I have learned English from the Interest Institute. So today I would like to share my journey and my story with Interest. So as we all know that in today's world speaking English is very important. So I have also decided to learn English, and when I took admission in college I was very keen to learn the English. I went to many institutes for learning the English, but I was not getting what I wanted. But when I went to Interest, I decided I decided the first day of the demo, like from here only I have to learn the English, because you got some feeling like, okay, from the here I can learn the English, I can get what I want. So in the Interest I really want what I was looking in other institute, because in the Interest the learning process is very different as compared to the other institute. In Interest, the process of learning is very different, as in the first month of your learning process they will teach you the basic grammars. And friends, when you have a knowledge of the grammar, then only you will be able to speak a very good English, otherwise no. So within 1 month they will teach you the grammar in such a way, like you will be able to translate any of the Hindi sentences into the English sentences. Like there are some activities, they will ask you to go to the stage, and so many audience will be there. They will ask you, they will tell you sentences in Hindi, and within 4 or 5 seconds you will be able to translate that Hindi sentences of any tense in English sentences. And the practice level is like at a very good stage, because in the practice they will ask you to make the 100 sentences, 200 sentences, 500 sentences, 1000 sentences, and like you will be like, how can I will make 1000 sentences? But seriously guys, when you will be habitual of that making the sentences, no, then within 1 or 2 hours you will be able to make 1200 sentences. And yeah, that practice will be very helpful for in the initial stage. So if you will obey like what the Rahul sir and Ashutosh sir will say, then definitely within 6 months you will be able to speak a very good English. And with the English, they will not only teach you the English, they will teach you many things, like many ethics, disciplines, and they will also build your confidence, because speaking English is not that difficult. But with speaking English you should have a confidence, you should have a vocabulary knowledge, you should have a discipline, you should have a ethics. When you will have a combination of all these things,